3. Maintenance-Shutdown Combo Configuration. The last mode of escalation we will review will be the Maintenance-Shutdown Combo Configuration. Once the UPS supporting the selected ESXi host experiences a power event, IPM will trigger the maintenance mode. Once all of the VMs have been migrated into other available hosts, the shutdown mode will be initiated. In order to set the parameters, start from the IPM view screen. Select the folder titled Management and click on the option for Node Settings. Choose the VMware ESXi host that you would like to configure. Once selected, the node configuration pane will open to the far right of the screen. Click on the pencil icon beside the option titled Shutdown Settings. The Shutdown Settings configuration text box will appear. The parameters selected will enable IPM to take action and trigger maintenance mode. We will discuss each only as needed per the specific shutdown configuration. The Maintenance Shutdown Combo configuration will need the following parameters set. Power source. Select an IP address of the UPS which powers your host. Load segment. Designate the output receptacle which the host node is connected to the UPS. Typically, this will be the master segment. Master shutdown duration. Enter the maximum amount of time in seconds needed for the host to fully complete the migration and shutdown process with vMotion. The virtual machines will shut down first and then the host. Once the designated time expires, the UPS load segment will de-energize. Master shutdown after value. Enter an amount of time in seconds which will dictate the length of time the IPM will have before it triggers the shutdown of the host. Remote maintenance. Enable remote maintenance. Enable this option to grant IPM permission to trigger the maintenance mode and migrate VMs from the selected host to the other available hosts. Maintenance timer. Enter an amount of time in seconds which will dictate the length of time IPM will delay sending the signal to enter maintenance mode and begin migrating virtual machines from the designated host. Remote shutdown. Enable this option in order to grant IPM permission to trigger the host to shut down. Remote shutdown of the virtual machines. This option is only used in a high availability cluster. When enabled, IPM will shut down the guest VMs before shutting down the host. Click Apply to activate the settings. Rename the configuration. Click Save. The configuration will be saved within the Node Configuration drop-down menu. The last step will be to synchronize the setting to the node. The following is a demonstration of the maintenance shutdown configuration. The UPS supporting the host ESXi server has encountered a power event and the timer has met the timer threshold. Within vCenter, a warning icon will appear beside the host and the affected host will enter maintenance mode. As you can see on the vCenter desktop pane, the virtual machines located on the host will begin to migrate to other available hosts in order to remain active. As the VMs complete their migration, you can see them be removed from the affected host. Once all of the VMs have been migrated into other available hosts, the shutdown mode will be initiated for the affected host. As the shutdown procedure is completed, the host will become italicized and changed in color from black to light gray. For more information, please visit our website at eaton.com/powerquality.